Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best red sangria. First, select a dry, fruity red wine, perhaps a garnacha or tempranillo. You'll also need fresh, ripe fruits like oranges, lemons, and apples. Don't forget a good quality brandy or orange liqueur to add depth. Finally, a touch of sugar or simple syrup will balance the flavors perfectly. These core ingredients are your foundation for a delicious drink. Now let's prepare the fruit. Thoroughly wash and thinly slice your chosen fruits, like oranges, lemons, and apples. This maximizes their flavor release into the sangria. Place the sliced fruit into a large pitcher or bowl, then add about 1/4 cup of sugar. Let this mixture macerate for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step draws out the fruit's natural juices and sweetness, creating a richer base. Next, it's time to combine the liquids. Pour your selected red wine directly over the macerated fruit mixture in the pitcher. Then, add about 1/2 cup of your chosen brandy or orange liqueur. Stir all the ingredients gently but thoroughly to ensure everything is well mixed. For the best flavor development, chill your sangria in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours or even overnight. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade red sangria. Serve it perfectly chilled over ice in individual glasses. For an appealing presentation, garnish each glass with fresh fruit slices. If you prefer a lighter, fizzier drink, consider adding a splash of sparkling water just before serving. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fruit combinations and liqueurs to create your unique signature sangria.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.